Today I have a Chevrolet Bolt, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats inside of the Chevrolet Bolt so you have more cargo space inside of your vehicle. And I'm going to open up the trunk so you can actually see how much cargo space you have. All right, so I'm going to open up the trunk just like that. And now I'm going to lay down the rear seats. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So you have the back seats, they're up. I'm gonna lay them down flat so you can have more cargo space. I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna take this latch right here, and I'm going to, see what I'm doing right here? Take this, pull that until it clicks, and then lay down the rear seat. And this is just on one side. Look how much more cargo space I have. You see this? Look at that. And then I'm gonna go to the other side, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna find this latch, pull this down right here, and look at all that cargo space I can put in there. A lot of things in there, all right? And so when I'm done, if I want to put them up, I'll make sure the seat belt is not stuck behind it. I'm gonna take it, pull it until it clicks into place, lock that in place, and then I'm gonna go around, and I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Make sure the seat belt is not trapped in there, just like that, and voila. That is how you fold down the rear seats and put them back into place. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.